11:23 हो रहा है, 11:33 तक हम लोग इंतजार करेंगे। 10 मिनट यहाँ बैठे हैं।
देखिए, आपके सामने दिल्ली पुलिस के डीसीपी, दिल्ली पुलिस की एडिशनल डीसीपी तमाम अपनी पुलिस फोर्स को लेके, वाटर कैनन को लेके 3-3 लेयर में बैरिकेड लगा के मुख्यमंत्री निवास की ऐसे रक्षा कर रहे हैं। जब मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ पे थे तब भी इतनी रक्षा नहीं करी कभी। इस तरीके से लगे हुए हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार कह रही थी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार ये कह रही थी, मुख्यमंत्री आवास के अंदर लग्जरी स्विमिंग पूल है, शराब का बार है और सोने का टॉयलेट है। अब तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को खुल के दिखाना चाहिए। हम सारी की सारी मीडिया को लेके आए हैं, वो बार दिखाना चाहिए, स्विमिंग पूल दिखाना चाहिए। और अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पुलिस इसको छिपा रही है, इसका मतलब अब उनकी पोल खुल रही है और इसके बाद हम लोग प्रधानमंत्री आवास में जाएंगे और देखेंगे कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या उपलब्ध है।
लेकिन सर, चाबी पीडब्ल्यूडी के पास है तो आप लोग अंदर कैसे जाएंगे? अगर
ये मंत्री है भाई उसी विभाग के।
भैया एक बात बताइए, एक जेई किसी दरवाजे को बंद कर सकता है क्या? उसके अंदर क्या दिक्कत है? एक पब्लिक प्लेस है, खाली है। आप लोग चलिए मेरे साथ इंस्पेक्शन करने, उसको देखिए, उसका वीडियो बनाइए, उसको जांचिए, परखिए।
प्रोसेस होता है क्या इंस्पेक्शन के लिए कि आप किसी तरीके से पहले चाबी आपके पास हो ताकि आप अंदर जाकर देख सके कि आखिर रेनोवेशन में हुआ क्या क्या?
देखिए, चाबी तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाबी नहीं दे रही। क्यों नहीं दे रही? क्योंकि चाबी खुलते ही ताला नहीं खुलेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पोल खुल जाएगी। इसलिए ये चाबी भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं देगी।
राजमहल में जाने की बात कर रहे हैं, आवास में जाने राजमहल कैसे जाएंगे?
पुलिस और पीडब्ल्यूडी के अधिकारी सब ये कह रहे हैं कि ऊपर से ऑर्डर है, मुख्यमंत्री आवास में किसी को नहीं जाने देंगे, ऊपर से ऑर्डर है।
Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj there right outside this is the former residence of Arvind Kejriwal. Let's listen to what Saurabh Bhardwaj has to say.
मेरे ऊपर तो उपराज्यपाल ही हैं जो ऑर्डर दे के इस निवास की चाबी को छिपा ले।
लेकिन सौरभ इसी शीश महल को दिखाने की बात
बस थोड़ा 10 मिनट मौका दे।
अब हम तो राजमहल भी लेके जा रहे हैं आपको, आप राजमहल भी चलिएगा।
पीडब्ल्यूडी ने कहा कि सीएम ने पोजीशन नहीं लिया, उनको कई बार कहा गया।
अरे छोड़ दो पोजीशन, चाबी। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिखाए हमें स्विमिंग पूल।
थोड़ा सा पीछे, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए आप लोग। अरे भाई थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाइए, ऐसे मत करिए, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए।
लड़ाई नहीं, लड़ाई।
So there Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj there sitting in protest right outside the former residence of the then Chief Minister. We have Shreya joining us to get us more on this. Shreya, this move by the Aam Aadmi Party comes right after Parvez Singh, Sahib Singh Verma had written to Atishi demanding that they throw open the doors of the Sheesh Mahal for public darshan and for really promoting transparency. And that is exactly what the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to do, but they're unable to do so because there is security cover and they're not letting them through. And it is Aam Aadmi Party that is like escorting the media with them, but they're not being allowed.
Well, of course, right behind me, you can see Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj. The dramatic visuals that we are getting, they're sitting on the floor, trying to confront the police to get investigation is already underway. So it is quite futile to even think that, you know, we will get a sneak peek into the CM house. And also we know that this security arrangements that have been made outside CM house, it's also quite, commonly it's also being seen right now outside the PMO, the PM office, because we know that the Aam Aadmi Party has said that they are open to showing the public and the media the so-called Sheesh Mahal, so-called the museum of the Arvind Kejriwal, museum of corruption as the BJP calls it, only if Prime Minister Narendra Modi's house, which the Aam Aadmi Party is calling it the Raj Mahal in Racecourse Road, only if they are open to showing that, then they will let us see the Sheesh house. But it's unlikely that we will get to step inside, because the leaders are right now sitting outside on the floor. They are trying to confront the police.
Ishika joining us as well. Ishika, of course, Sanjay Singh there saying that, they're not being allowed to enter that so-called Sheesh Mahal, where they really want the media to come and see for themselves that there is no minibar, no swimming pool, no golden toilets, is the claim that is being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. But, the police there is saying that there are orders from the top, and which is why these people of the Aam Aadmi Party or the media will not be allowed to enter that, former residence of the former Chief Minister at 6 Flagstaff Road in the civil lines area. Ishika, take us through, of course, the Prime Minister has, often referred to the Sheesh Mahal as the biggest example of the dishonesty of the Aam Aadmi Party. Then why is it that the Aam Aadmi Party is not being allowed to enter that so-called Sheesh Mahal with the media?
Well, that is something that only the Delhi police officials will be able to answer. But so far, certainly what we are seeing is that there is certainly very dramatic scenes that are going on at the 6 Flagstaff Road bungalow, and how, there is a heated exchange that happened between the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and the Delhi police officials, and how now, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party is showing that they are not being able, in fact, they are not being allowed to go inside the 6 Flagstaff Road, where they wanted to show the media what they call lies of the BJP. But certainly we are waiting for a response to come from the BJP side. We are expecting, a response from the BJP shortly, because now certainly the Aam Aadmi Party has in fact, targeted the BJP over this, saying that, it remains to be seen that who has given this order for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders to not enter the 6 Flagstaff Road, especially when no leader is living there currently. So certainly, if we talk about the officials of, the PWD, the sources in the PWD, we have seen how they had said that, they had given the offer to Chief Minister Atashi, but after the investigation of the agency had started, that is why they had withdrawn it. And currently also we know the fact that the investigation is ongoing, and that is why in fact the officials had withdrawn that offer letter as well. So certainly here the what we are getting to know from the sources, from the officials, is that it is all because of the ongoing investigation. That is certainly the very site of investigation, since there are allegations of corruptions, the financial irregularities in the renovation of that bungalow. So that is, that can be one of the reasons why we saw a very heavy police deployment there, because police was aware, Delhi police was aware that, the delegation from the Aam Aadmi Party was to come, and this could have, hampered the investigation of the agency. So this is likely one of the reasons, but we'll have to wait and watch for any official response that comes from the Delhi police. Over to you.
Right, of course, it is the Aam Aadmi Party asking the police there right outside the residence as to why is it that they're not being allowed, why is the permission being denied to enter that 6 Flagstaff residence, which was formerly the residence of the then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. But obviously, the police there asking for the permission, saying, show us the permission, and now the Aam Aadmi Party they're claiming that keys are being hidden by the BJP, and this is the Aam Aadmi Party there, of course, wanting to, refute those claims that are being made in regard to the so-called Sheesh Mahal. And of course, right after this visit, they really did want to walk to the Prime Minister's residence there, referring it to the Raj Mahal and wanting to, have the media take a look at that 2,700 crore rupee, Raj Mahal that they're referring to. Of course, also the BJP there wanting to replicate that civilized bungalow in all the 70 constituencies. And according to the BJP, they've already come up with a model replicating the bungalow, which has, been surrounded by controversy after the investigating agencies started probing the alleged wasteful expenditure. We're talking about an expenditure of 33 crore rupees that was spent, which was initially supposed to be 7.9 crore rupees.